Hi, my name is Brianna Camacho. I'm going to be presenting you my proposal for my very first music video. My song that I'm going to be singing is called Winter's Lullaby. This is an original song that I wrote myself, both music and lyrics, and that I'm also going to be performing. The group members I'm going to be working with in this project are my parents, Sharia and Dar Camacho. And my mom's going to be photographer, and my dad's going to be the driver, the filming destinations for my videos, and I'm going to be the singer and the actor. My audio recording is going to be recorded between June 8th and 12th. I'm going to edit my audio the same week after I record my audio. And the instruments I'm going to be recording are my voice and the piano, which I'll be playing myself as well. I'm going to be recording those with my Blue Yeti USB microphone. The filming dates for my videos are going to be between June 15th and 19th. I'm going to be filming them at night, and locations I'm going to be filming at are the front yard of my house and the Centennial Park in Kingman, Arizona, which is the city I'm currently living in. The costumes I'm going to be wearing are this is my first costume, a close-up of the necklace on my shirt, and my shoes I'm going to be wearing with them. And this is my second costume, which is a lot simpler. A simple blouse and skirts. And there are no shoes with that costume, I just left it on purpose. And the roles I'm going to play are all director, producer, audio editor, and voice video editor. And that's it. I'm looking forward to making this video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing it too. And I'll see you guys later.